I tried the Korean AI profile.
To do this trend, first you have to download Snow AI application from Play or App Store. After downloading, open the application. Click on Agree and Start. Now open your Instagram and then go to search option and search Snow AI Official. Now click on the link given in the bio. After clicking the link, you will be switched to Snow AI application. Now click on Begin Now and then click on Continue. Now you have to upload your 10 or 20 selfie photo. Now select product options and then click on create a profile and then proceed to payment. Now you have to wait for an hour to get your AI generated profile pictures and then you're ready to share. Before doing this trend, watch these reactions from some popular creators. What do they think about this trend?
If you're like me and have been seeing the Korean AI everywhere, you might be tempted to do it, but before you do it, let me give you a little warning first. There is a chance that you might end up with 30 pictures of girls who do not look like you. Let me show you guys the pictures that I got and spent money for. Who is she? Because that's not me. What do you guys think? I uploaded the maximum number of pictures that you could upload, which is 20, to get the most accurate results, and this is what I got. I think this is the closest one that looks like me, but even I still don't think it looks like me, and I just don't foresee myself being able to use any of these 30 pics that I paid for. I mean, go ahead and try it if you want, but I think it's almost around $7. So yeah, if you want to do it, go ahead, but just a little warning that you might end up with 30 pictures that do not look like you.
Do not pay for this. I wasted $5 and let me just show you. This one maybe you can see like 3% of me. This one maybe like 5%. This is so inaccurate. This doesn't look like me at all. She's beautiful, but she looks nothing like me. I even paid $5 twice to see if this would work. If it was maybe the photos that I chose, but no, it's just bad AI. Unless you look like a beautiful Korean K-pop star already, this probably isn't gonna make you look amazing like I thought it would.
Now it's up to you if you want to try it or not, and if you want to do this trend. So after getting the photos, you just have to open TikTok, then click on search option and search for Korean AI profile picture. Then choose any video from here, and then click on use template in CapCut, and then you have to upload your photos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.